Hello, today, we will make some AJVAR. I bought 34 kilograms of red bell peppers. I washed them thoroughly before roasting them. AJVAR is a treasure of the Balkans, particularly the cuisines of Bosnia, Serbia, North Macedonia, and Romania. It is made of roasted bell peppers. Some they combine it with roasted eggplant, but I prefer to cook with purely bell peppers. Before you set all the bell peppers, be sure that the pan is heated already. Turn the other side of bell pepper. When the skin blackened or looks like this, it's best to turn the bell pepper when it's burnt or black in color, because it's easy to peel it later. The key to making a good AJVAR is to roast the red pepper on a grill. You can roast them in the oven in a pinch, but you will lose all that delicious, smoky goodness that the grill imparts. Once roasted, put them inside the plastic bag. Let them rest in a closed dish to allow them to cool down, making it easy to remove the skin. Now, let's peel the skin. See how easy the peeling is when it's rightly grilled. After peeling and taking out all the seeds, you may submerge it into water to thoroughly clean it. Now, it's time to grind it. This is the easier part for me compared to other steps that have been done already. AJVAR preparation is somewhat difficult because it requires considerable manual labor, particularly for peeling the roasted peppers. But when it's cooked, the taste is exceptional. You will forget the tiredness of how you made it. At least for me. Grinding is done. Now let's cook it. In a big pot, pour 1 liter of sunflower oil. Don't overheat it. Now, pour the grinded roasted peppers. Add minced garlic and salt. Cook it in low-medium heat for 1.5 to 2 hours. After an hour, you can add vinegar. Add at least 30 minutes more of stewing until you reach the right consistency. Don't forget to continuously stir it to avoid burning. This is the right thickness that we need. It's done. Once it is cooked, put into the jars. Make sure jars are clean and heated up. Close them and turn them upside down. Cover with a cloth and leave to cool. They are then ready to store in a cool and dark place and ready to consume when required. I made a total of 13 jars. A jar of AJVAR should be kept in the refrigerator. Once opened, typically, AJVAR is served either as a spread or a side dish with grilled meats and vegetables. This is the best condiment I've ever tasted. Try this recipe. It's quite hard to make, but satisfying when it's tasted and done at home. Enjoy!